Good morning from Okinawa. We were staying the first night in Minatogawa in the southern part. We booked this place with the breakfast so we can explore this area a bit until it's the breakfast time. This area is very quiet, with almost no people. Just some cats walking around. We will be exploring the southern part of Okinawa today and moving north to Aruma, where our next hotel is located. We chose this location because it's very close to our first destination, Okinawa World, which is very close. We want to see the impressive limestone caves which are located there. This is the car we got for the next 3 days. There's some kind of abandoned bridge here. Looks like an old viewing platform that is no longer used. It's time to go to see the Gyokusendo limestone caves. Caves are really impressive with waterfalls and many lights inside. It was discovered in 1967. Underground cave has over 1 million stalactites and pools of water. The exit from the caves is in a botanical garden, after which you can buy drinks and snacks. The ice cream here was really impressive. Try it if you come here. You can see how people lived in Ryukyuan Kingdom while listening to the traditional music which is played. Sake with snakes, souvenirs, more shops and other things to see are here. But we don't have the whole day for this, and we have to hit the road. We are avoiding toll roads, so there are interesting views like this. We have arrived in Urasoe Castle Ruins area, which is probably better known for Hacksaw Ridge. Fierce battles happened here during World War II between Japanese and Americans. American Air Base is near here. There is also a movie, Hacksaw Ridge, based on a true story, where Desmond Doss saved 75 people without carrying a weapon and only working as a medic. Cicadas are very active here. Okinawa monorail comes all the way out here. It's one of the last stops on the line. We are leaving Naha for later, and we'll take the monorail too. Urasoe Castle area has a nice nature trail you can explore. It's seemingly very old trees. It's time to head further north and see the long bridges connecting to other islands. At least in Google Maps they look interesting. Stumbled upon this tacos place where all the locals seem to go. Of course we had to try it and it was really good. This is the bridge connecting to the smaller Miyagi, Ikei and Hamahiga islands. We went all the way to Ikei Island, which is mostly a farming island. Driving here is quite interesting with beautiful sights everywhere. A quarry is here too, which isn't the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about Okinawa. This is a great viewpoint of Miyagi Island. You can also see Ikei Island in the distance. Sunset also came as a bonus view. Decided to cross the bridge to Hamahiga Island too, but it's getting dark already and it's time to cross the big bridge and go back to the main Okinawa Island and look for the hotel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.